Your body has about 60,000 miles of blood vessels, all part of your circulatory system that delivers vital oxygen and nutrients to every cell. Poor circulation can lead to cold or numb hands and feet. Smoking damages your arteries and thickens your blood, restricting flow. Quitting can greatly improve your circulation. High blood pressure narrows your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow. Aim for a reading of 120/80 and check it regularly. Regular aerobic exercise, like running or cycling, boosts heart health and improves circulation. Aim for 30 minutes most days. A balanced diet rich in fruits, veggies, and low in saturated fats helps maintain healthy blood flow and overall health. Take care of your circulation for a stronger, healthier life.